We can't modify this lip here enough to make a bug screen work here. So what I am doing is making my own bug screen from this material, which I'll have a link down below. It is from Amazon. They make this place, what was it called? AggAuto, something like that. You'll see the link below. They make all kinds of different types of grill. Basically, these are specifically grill material that you can put on your car. You obviously have to customize it. This came in I think a 48 by whatever this is, 18, 12, whatever inch roll. And I cut this down already, and we are going to put this behind here. And I could have gotten a mesh material, but I like this one a little better. I don't think we need full mesh. We want to just keep kind of big stuff out of the grill. I don't think it's completely necessary to keep tiny little bug things out. So anyway, whatever. I am going to cut this up specifically for this grill here, and we're going to mount it to the back. You'll see what I do. So anyway, that is the story. All right, so here it is. Look at this new bug screen. All right, might not look that great from behind, but let's check out the other view. Yeah, check that out. It's already cool, but now it's like super cool. All right, let's get this thing on the car already. Otherwise, man, this thing is pretty dang cool, especially with my customization in there. Yeah, patent pending.